morning, everybody. Today I'll be installing my foam hand grips on the Can-Am hand grips using zip ties. If you watch my video on the BMW when I did the hand grips, these are pretty much the same thing. So these are going to go over here, give me that extra thickness on these grips, because these things are just too small for my hands and I don't like how uncomfortable they are. So what we're going to do is see if this works. I'm going to take some zip ties, put them around the hand grip, and see if we can slide this thing using the zip ties right over the grip. Oh, his hand's a little out of commission. Alright, now we slide the zip ties out one at a time. Make sure this is where I need it to be, or want it to be. And there we go. Wow, that was easier than I thought. Much easier. Wow, that feels good too. Now we'll do the other side. There you have it. Hand grips are installed. They look pretty nice. And man, it gives me that thickness on my hands that I need to be comfortable on the road.